isometric drawings, but we're projecting the orthographic views from them. So if we look here at this isometric drawing, looking at it from the left side, what will we see? So we highlight what is on the left side here in red, because those are the only parts that we can see from the left, that upside down T. From the right side, what would we see? That first yellow block, second, third, and fourth, and they line up on one another. From the top side looking down, what will we see when we look downwards? The blue part at the back, the blue one at the top, and the blue one to the right. So all in all, we have just determined what the left side looks like, the right side on the top. Now if we take a look at this figure from a three-dimensional perspective where we can turn it, we can actually see what the views look like by turning the figure and looking at them directly. So let's turn to try to find what the front or that left side look like, which is the T. So we're just trying to line it up to make sure it is straight on. So if you look at it straight on, you would see that T only. So that left view would be that T, which is highlighted there in the actual red. You should be able to turn the drawing or move the drawing inside of your mind and see what the different sides look like. So let's take a look at that end view or that right side. And as you can see the right side there, it is highlighted in yellow. But as we turn it to make sure that it's straight, when we look straight at it, we can see those 4 blocks only going upwards, that straight line. And as you can see from the right side, we can see those 4 blocks in a straight line. And the last part which we're going to look at, which is the top. When we look down at this figure, what will we see? So we know that the top part is highlighted or colored in the blue. So you can see the shapes there, the 3 squares that you should see from the direct top if you look down directly at the figure. So as we try to line it up, this is what you have to try to do with the figure in your mind when you're doing or completing a drawing. As we line it up, those 3 blue blocks should come together in a straight line. 1, 2, and 3. As we turn it to put it straight on, you can see they make a perfect line. Remember, you should do this with every isometric drawing which you're pulling the views from. And don't only limit it to isometric, but try to understand what the different sides of your drawing look like all the time. Whether it is the top, that front side which is the red side, or that end side which is the yellow. And as we see here in the isometric, those are the 3 sides, and we just took a look at them from the 3-dimensional perspective. So here on the orthographic now, where we have the views on their own, the left side, which is there as the front, the right side is there in a straight line, and then that top side, which we also know as the plan, is in blue.